And we can observe in all branches of science that no evolutionary claim, no claims for intermediation or gradual development is possible. Claiming that sharks are the ancestors of human beings is really nonsense, and nobody in Turkey has belief in these kind of claims. This is a fact known throughout the world, that people do not believe in evolution anymore, but those people, some of them are just making these arguments, and they are trying to make people forget about this fact. What are they trying to make people forget? We have definitely proved that there are 350 million fossils, and they all prove that there is creation and there are no intermediary fossils. We also gave explanations about the protein molecule, that the protein is only possible with the existence of another protein. So the claims of the evolutionists have been demolished by scientific facts. And Darwinists accept matter to be the absolute in their life, and this is the reason for their materialistic belief. And they claim matter to be a false idol, but their false idols have totally disappeared in their minds. Because we have been making these explanations that this matter that they touch, that they see, that they observe are not absolute materials, because it has a totally definite, it has a very different structure, because there is no light in the outside. There is no matter that they can hold to. It's totally transparent. There is no color in this world. And this is such an environment that there is no light, it's totally dark, and we're talking about a matter that exists in those circumstances. And the building blocks of this matter are the electrons, and we are referring to the physical laws in order to understand the movement of the electrons. And we saw that the electrons are actually having wave structure. What does wave structure mean? Then the electrons lose their particle properties. It's a kind of an energy that appears and disappears. So the Darwinists are trying to hold on to these false gods. They are trying to refer some power to their matter. However, we saw that the matter is actually possessing very different qualities, because what we see in our brains as matter is totally different. And the scientists have definitely comprehended this true fact. And our master has been emphasizing the truth of the matter for a long time, and this means that the only existence that is formed in the brain is created for the person himself, and this is not the matter that is found outside. And Allah creates this life and this world in each person's own mind. And Allah creates such a colorful, such a three-dimensional and beautiful world with my own body in it, with all the people inside of it, with the entire universe inside of my brain, inside a very minute place. And people are getting deceived that this existence is truthful. That is the reason the scientists are in a kind of a panic.